Today, we're unboxing the ZimaBlade. This is the board-only version, so this is just the single board computer itself. That is important to understand because if you buy this version, you still need compatible RAM and the right power adapter before you can actually use it. So before we open it up, let's quickly talk about the different buying options. There are two main models, the Blade 3760 and the Blade 7700. The cheapest way to get into the ZimaBlade is the board-only option, which starts around $70. That gets you the board itself, but remember, you still need the extra parts to actually use it. The 3760 is the lighter-duty model. It is still capable, and for a lot of basic setups, it can definitely get the job done. But my personal recommendation is the Blade 7700 Starter Bundle. That bundle costs about $160 before the discount, but it gives you a much better starting point because you get what you need to plug it in, power it on, and actually start using it. The single Raspberry Pi 5 with 16 gigs of RAM is sitting in that $300 price range, and that is without the adapter. With the ZimaBlade 7700 Starter Bundle, you are paying a lot less, you are getting what you need to start, and the board already comes in this awesome cyberpunk style case. And I have to say, I love the ZimaBlade. I use it in my lab. I have one as a daily carry, and it has become one of my favorite single board computers. The biggest reason is the x86 architecture. I am not limited to ARM. I can run regular x86 Linux distros on it, which gives me way more flexibility. My daily carry ZimaBlade is running Parrot Security OS, and it runs it fine. That is why I like this device so much. The style is great, the performance is fantastic for a single board computer. So inside the box, you get one ZimaBlade, one SATA cable, one user manual, one USB-C cable, and 2 stickers. You do get the board and a few basic accessories, but you are not getting the full setup. Now, luckily, I already have a stick of RAM ready to go because my other ZimaBlade had a little incident. That's why I keep saying the starter bundle makes more sense for most people, especially if you want to plug this in and start using it without buying extra parts. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description, and if you use my discount code, you can save $15 off your purchase, which also helps support the channel. Let me know what you think about the ZimaBlade in the comments. And as always, remember, safety is an illusion.